Looking for the best leatherworking kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 leatherworking kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. LampTop Leathercraft Tools. Clamp helps make sewing projects clean. Cutting mat included. Stitching set with wax rope. 4 colors of rope. Can also be used on denim or top. A good hobby kit. Includes some tools to fill in other kits. If you primarily need a leather sewing tools kit, this is a nice option. You will need some extra tools for cutting and stamping, but this is a good set to aid with sewing. At number 2. AMPSEVEN Leather Carving Working Saddle Making Tools Set. Gives you all the basics in a set. Good swivel knife. Reasonable price. Can also be a good add-on kit for someone who has already gotten started in leatherworking. Includes items as pictured. Nicely made basic tools in this smaller set. The stamps could be of higher quality, but they work great for a beginner. At number 1. BAGERLA 273-piece leatherworking tool kit. Comprehensive kit, as it includes 273 leatherworking tools. Collection offers a nice selection of leather stamps and needles. Hole punch has 9 size options. Comes with a storage case. Whether you are a novice or an avid leather crafter, this kit has you covered. It contains a huge assortment of tools with a case for keeping them organized. Some reports of tools breaking with typical use. Pricey, but it's well stocked with just about every tool you would need. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.